My name is Curtis Gigara. I am 18 years old and I am a Form 4 leaver who's waiting to join campus later this year. My need for the workshop was, I saw the theme was identifying your purpose in life, and that is what I wanted to do because I've been uncertain about what my purpose in life is, but when I saw that you're giving the mentorship to help someone to identify it, I was interested in it because it has really played a great role in helping me when I'm making a decision on what my purpose in life is, because now it was an eye-opener because I finally saw the potential that I have and what I can actually do, and that's why right now as we speak I already know where I'm headed. I already know my dream and my purpose. It's not too early. It's just the right time, because from now you can start planning on how you can achieve a dream, because slowly by slowly and you will achieve it in time. It has been really great deal, and when I came here I've met really awesome people. We've had lots of fun, and the things that we have learned are really important. I learned that most of the time we make our decisions using only our mind and body, and we don't involve our heart in the decisions we make, and that's why we end up making decisions that we are not really making. But when we learn to involve our body, mind and heart, we end up making decisions that are correct and are very important to us. I would like to tell all those people who attend this program in the future that this is a really interesting program and helpful. It helps you identify who you are and your purpose. And after going through this, you are 100% sure that you become someone great in the society.